Just got the wheels in from American Racing for Mickey Bowles Suburban. Let's get them open and check them out.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Thank you, American Racing.
Hey, thank you.
I like that finish in the middle.
You're beautiful.
There's a guy over there making a bunch of noise. You know, we just crushed people's hopes and dreams of getting a fucking roof skin, right? There it is. Holes cut, ragtops fit. Now we have to go around and mark all the mounting holes and pull the top back off. We'll sand the cut now that we know it fits, and then we'll go around and we'll drill a ton of holes. Yeah, so you can jack, you want a jack standy? We're putting together this portable front suspension. If I say it really fast, do you think they'll notice? Thursday, September 6th. And we are reassembling Brian or Mickey's Suburban chassis with all these Porter-built and CPP parts.
Assembling these control arms. I'm assembling these control arms that we just got back from powder coat.
So we're installing these SLAM SS7 airbags. One of the reasons we like these, but it doesn't apply to this too much, is with most airbags, when you inflate them, they actually grow too, and these just go straight up. They don't get outward at all. Again, there's not a lot of clearance issue on something like this, but a truck where you have like a coiled pocket that you're cutting out to fit the bag in, it's kind of a big deal because you don't want the bag growing in there and then rubbing on the edges. But not only that, they ride really well. We've got a good relationship with them, so we like to use them and support them because they support us. I don't know what else to say about that. No, bolts bottom out before they get tight. Yep. All right, Pyle, start cutting.
Yay, they don't bottom out. Now they fit like they're supposed to. So originally this axle came with drum brakes. So CPP makes this disc brake conversion, and they are a big brake kit. We have here 13-inch rotors.
Sometimes I feel like somebody's watching me.
242. I don't know why we use it. The difference between the red Loctite and the green Loctite is obviously strength. So the red Loctite is pretty permanent, and the medium one is medium.
can't do that now. This is not the YouTube intro video. This is the YouTube intro video. This is the intro to the YouTube channel. Subscribe, follow, comment, hit the little likey checky boxy, and we'll have some fun.